In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile color in Asana. If you want your presence in Asana to stand out, the simplest way to control the color associated with your profile is by updating your avatar. Asana uses your profile image to represent you across tasks, comments, and project members, so choosing an image with the color you want is the most reliable approach. Start by opening Asana in your web browser and heading to the home view. If you use multiple organizations or workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the change to appear. Everything we'll do happens from your account menu, so you won't need to navigate into a specific project. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. If you haven't set a photo yet, you'll likely see your initials inside a colored circle. That default color is auto-assigned, which is exactly why uploading your own image is the key to picking a look you prefer. From the menu that opens, click Settings. This brings up your account settings window where you can adjust personal details that control how you appear to teammates. We'll focus on your profile image since that's what drives the visual color people associate with you across Asana. Next, click Upload your photo. Choose an image that reflects the color you want to be recognized by. For example, if you'd like to appear with a bold green or calming blue, select a photo or graphic dominated by that color. A solid color square image works especially well. Common formats like JPG or PNG are fine, and a clear, high contrast image helps your avatar look crisp at smaller sizes. If Asana prompts you to crop, center the most prominent color so it fills your avatar circle. After you confirm, Asana will apply the change to your profile. Once the upload completes, your new avatar will appear in the top right and will propagate across tasks, comments, and project member lists. If you don't see it right away in every view, that's normal. Give it a moment and it will update as you navigate. If you ever want a different color, simply repeat the same upload action with a new image. A quick design tip: creating a simple square swatch in your preferred hex color gives you the most consistent result, and keeping it uncluttered ensures it's legible on any background. That's it. By going to Home, opening your profile, selecting Settings, and uploading your photo, you've effectively changed your profile color in Asana and made your presence easier to spot across your workspace.